Oh, there's a duck running. It's not a duck, what?
I'm a goose! HONK! Aww.
Wow, okay, that's...
The goose has a gun!
We all have guns!
Yeah, that's true. I want a grenade.
What's that? No. Oh, did you just throw that? Oh god! Oh god!
Just there. Hey, catch.
Oh, HONK. Wada.
Yeah, that's the classic walking sound of the goose.
Wada.
Yes.
How did you make it? Oh, there we go. Thank you for kiting.
Don't have it. Oh god. Someone shooting the goose. Who's shooting the goose?
HONK!
Honk.
Panic. Oh god, I'm getting shot as well from the sniper tower.
I can hear the like brief moments of joy from someone who is shooting me, and I don't like it. No!
The fuck was that? Where the fuck is everyone?
Hiding from you?
Why are you hiding from me? I'm not the traitor.
That's something a traitor would say.
No, it's
can't
also
figure out
something an
this
innocent
window.
would say.
HONK! Okay. Woof.
No.
Oh.
No.
I don't like it.
No.
I don't care. Everyone gets shot.
Oh my god. That was painful.
This is just a new goose simulator for you, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly.
Because no one who would want to hurt the goose.
Well, I was
Untitled
shooting at.
Goose
I was gonna say I
Terrors.
was shooting at the goose.
Someone hurt the goose.
Someone being in the sniper tower, who could it possibly be based on their track record?
Oh no.
I don't know what you're on about.
Okay, don't open the door and immediately point a gun.
Be nice.
Oh my god, why is everyone here?
Ooh,
Alright,
it could be
come
the
back.
zombie.
No, leave me alone. Leave me alone. What is this map indeed?
It's a train. Where are you guys?
I'm right behind you. God!
Oh my god, the goose is dead.